Hi, I'm sure you're tired of receiving loads of WhatsApp messages that is cluttering your inbox. Worry not, Eazybe is here. So Eazybe creates default labels for you on WhatsApp which automatically classify your chats in various labels such as unread, groups, mentions, needs reply, awaiting reply. So essentially it helps you organize your WhatsApp. Moreover, you can also click on the plus icon and create your own personal labels. You can click on this personal and create a label or a funnel according to your requirements and organize your chats according to you. So you can also create shared labels by clicking a shared option over here, and you can share this label with your team, with your entire organization, and help you manage your WhatsApp as a team together. Moreover, you can click on this icon over here and manage your user's profile according to your requirements. You can customize these fields and add values here and manage your user's profile. You can also add follow-up notes, reminders with respect to clients, create tasks with respect to a particular person, everything within WhatsApp. All the reminders that you fill in are automatically synced in with your Google Calendar that you can open by just clicking on the calendar icon. Also allow you to schedule messages. You can click on the scheduler icon, write a message, add an attachment, and schedule a message. You can also use quick reply templates to create quick replies and send messages with just one click. You can also use the AI feature to help you create reply suggestions and generate replies for a message that helps, and you can just click on insert and send the message whenever you want. And moreover, in the Teams version, we allow you to integrate WhatsApp with host of other tools such as CRMs, namely HubSpot, Google Sheets, Zoho, Bittrex, and Google Calendar, Google Tasks, so that you can make WhatsApp as your complete workplace solution. Thank you.